Welcome to today's Nature Bath. This walk starts as I cross the busy Bay Street Bridge and head down the Galloping Goose Trail along Harbour Road, passing the working waterfront and Point Hope Shipyard. Then it's over the Johnson Street Bridge and along the Seaside Path on Wharf Street. It's one of my favorite routes in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. The audio is natural, so just sit back and enjoy the sounds of the day. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go for a walk. That is the Selkirk Trestle, and we'll go for a walk over there one day. This is the working part of the harbor. I am going to walk over to the Songhees Walkway. That is an old propeller. I don't know its backstory. Okay, I'm holding onto the railing. I'm going really slow. Now we are under the Bay Street Bridge, which was the Ellis Street Bridge. It was a trolley car that fell into the water. It was well overloaded. It was the city's worst accident to date. Still. This is called the Selkirk Waterway. This is where they recycle the old cars. It's so cool. We need to go over there and see that in action. It's windy. That over there, the dock's out, but that is, oh, the dock's there. That is Point Ellis House. One of the last residential properties along this section. Well, it's not residential, it's a museum. This barge comes in, I think, weekly. I have footage of it that I haven't put together of it getting brought into the dock. Oh, here's the backstory on the propeller. Maybe. Not to be. The story's long gone, as I'm sure was the ship that was attached to that propeller. That was the stairs. I'm always happy to climb stairs. Victoria's known for its bike lanes. Here we go. It's beautiful, actually. This is called the Galloping Goose Trail. This is a local urban garden. And I'll show you the signs. It's quite beautiful, especially in the spring. Okay, I will stop and I will actually take a picture and I'll put it at the end of the video. Lots of people launch their kayaks down here and their paddle boards. It's the water taxi stop in the summer. I should get a gimbal. Yes, this is handheld. I'm sorry, it's a little mounty. People swim in here often now. It's so cleaned up. I'm gonna start and I'm gonna try and go slow. Capital Iron over there with the yellow stripe, not stripes, the yellow paint. That's the Hudson one, is the tall building. This is one of my favorite coffee shops. I'm gonna walk up the really big stairs because I like to. those stairs. We're heading there. Okay, I'm gonna back up and show you a manhole cover because I think it's beautiful. That was worth it. Okay, somebody's coming down. They probably don't want to be in, so I'll start at the bottom. I'll meet at the top. Okay, not quite the top, but the top of where I'm going. I'll go this way, but I'll go around in total. I'm going back down the stairs now. If you watch my Point Hope Shipyard videos, this is where I film from when they are coming in. You can see I missed this ship. Oh well. Yeah, I filmed through these bars right here. Okay, Peter. Oh yeah. I missed this ferry too. Making sure I don't get run over. Oh my gosh, go fast. This is one of my favorite parts of my walk. Always. My allergies are terrible. My eyes are running, my nose is running. That is the Delta. We're heading that way. Okay, I have to show you both sides. Like it's beautiful. Okay, okay, the bridge bounces. I am literally bouncing. Make sure I'm not gonna get run over. Okay, coast is clear. So this is the old railway bridge right here. You can see the old railway tracks. Please bring rail back on Vancouver Island. Please, we need it. One day I'll take you for a walk down those tracks. You are in a tsunami zone. This park is somewhat new, a few years ago. Okay. There's the tall ships over there. Now I'm gonna go around the harbor. That is the Johnson Street Bridge, and behind that, the yellow building-ish, is Swans. And those are Victoria Tug and Barge tugs. They call that the Wailing Wall, and we're hopeful that we can get the original painter to come back and paint it again because it was absolutely stunning in its day. It's weathered. I'll zoom in a bit. So, that's the new Sierra terminal. So that's Harbour Air, the seaplane's there. And behind that to the left, well, we'll start with the pink building. Let me go backwards here. Okay, so that's the Empress. The Empress Hotel. And then behind is the BC Museum behind Harbour Air. And then there's some condo buildings. And the green dome buildings are the BC Legislature. And the building with the columns, that is the old CPR terminal. The steamship terminal has one of my favorite restaurants, the Steamship Grill. And the hotel with the Canadian flag, that is the Hotel Grand Pacific. And the white roofs that you can see there, that is where the Clipper docks. And also in front of the Grand Pacific, the Coho docks. And the low profile hotel is the Days Inn, and a condo behind it. And they are rebuilding the Belleville terminal. And the buildings in the back, the one to the right, that is what used to be the Harbor Towers. It was a hotel. It is now condos. So that's, and then I believe there's some remediation work going on in the building. The townhouses that you can see behind the green. I was gonna do a walk along the Songhees, but I've kind of run out of time. So I am going to take you across the bridge, and it's time for me to head home. I usually show the bridge going up and down. I don't usually show it walking over it. Apparently had issues today, and I'm not sure what they were. There's the pigeons sitting at the top. I'll show you the kayakers going under. Maybe they're not kayaks. And if you saw my walk the other day, I was here with Janet. The other day I went up Johnson. Now I am going to go down Wharf partway. Hallmark Movies loves this building. Actually, lots of movies do. Where the Wailing Wall is. And try not to be too bouncy. And trip. This is supposed to be a development. It's been in the works for as long as I can remember. I haven't seen this tugboat move before. It came in as SAM colors, yellow and blue. This is such a cool mural. Oh, there's the Harbor Patrol. They keep us safe. This is the new Sea Air Terminal. Sea Air Seaplanes is coming to Victoria. I will take a flight seeing tour with them in the spring. All right, that is what I'm showing today. Oh, we're lucky to have them around. Okay, I think it's hungry. Feed the baby. That made me laugh. I thought I was done filming, and I was, but I just wanted to show this, and I'll eventually show all over town. But here, this is just a neat perspective of where I am along Wharf Street. I promise I will come back here. When you just can't stop recording, I walk so much slower when I've got to get home. But, okay. I normally walk at warp speed. Okay, I'll walk around the seaplane terminal. I just don't like these videos to be too long. Okay, this is the Malahat building. This is where you used to get your gold license, your license to prospect, I think it was. Make or stake your claims. Called the Malahat building. When it's open in the summer, you can barely walk through here. This is redfish, bluefish. It's really good fish and chips. Worth the wait. And this place is packed in the summer. To me, the ocean side is nature. I'm breathing the fresh air. This is nature. And I'm in a wild bird migratory sanctuary. That's nature. See? Okay, I'll wander around the seaplane terminal. Ooh, that sounds like Sierra. I think it is. I'll take you around this box. It's pretty cool. It's very uneven along here. Okay, that is it for today.